hard work, hard work, hard work, hard work.
How you can overcome from it. Whatever the two loopholes you have. That is I'm going to give this one. Yeah, this is my loophole.
Yeah, भैया, I will send recordings from today. विवेक आज से भेज दूंगा यार. कुणाल भेज दूंगा भाई यार. Yeah, bro, I am coming. Just come downstairs to my house. My friends, my biggest loopholes.
So let me tell you my favorite tagline. Eat 5-star, do nothing. I'm the biggest loser in this world. Like if there will be the competition of the losers also, there also I will be second only.
And how you can overcome from it. Whatever the two loopholes you have. About your personality, about thought process, about mindset, about body language, about anything. Whatever the two loopholes you have got and how one can overcome from it. Simply. So I want you people to be there. Are you ready, guys?
Yes, sir.
That's lovely. Aajo, guys. Loopholes. Everyone have got loopholes in their life. And that's why there is a particular say over loophole that is I'm going to give this one. Yeah, this is my loophole. Whenever something get bad at me or whenever I screwed up in something, I don't fix it instantly. I always stop myself. Okay. This can be seen in many situations. Whenever we are executing something in class and a thing got cancelled or thing got bad at a particular moment, I always get frustrated over the team members or over someone who is talking to me. That's a particular loophole which I'm facing. Or if I talk about how I can improve this particular thing, so I just need to be more self-aware about my own things, about my own emotions. Because frankly saying, I don't spend much time with myself, and because of that, I don't know much of my emotions or don't able to complete, or I would say overcome much of my emotions. And the second, like I was thinking a lot to, I would say, I was thinking a lot for my second loophole, but I was not getting anything. So I will tell this particular thing tomorrow. Yeah, that's my second loophole, procrastination. Whenever I have got particular work or whenever I have got a particular deadline, only that at that particular time only I'm going to complete it. That's my nature. I procrastinate a lot. If someone going to give me something work that to complete this, I procrastinate that particular thing at end moment. So this is the particular two things which I am lacking. Thank you. You did it by mistake. Sorry, it happened. No, we are done. Next begin.
I'll begin with a very simple story here of a child who knew everything about Taekwondo martial arts and who was going for a competition with his teacher. His teacher was very sure that that child would win. His teacher knew that his child would win because he had practiced a lot. He knew about martial arts. He knew that he had confidence and he could do anything there. That's why he had a lot of confidence over him. On the other hand, the student himself was on a different page. He also too was very confident until his situation became more fatal. That was due to his illness which came in hand in the match before the starting of the match. Before the starting of the match, he thought that he should tell to his master that I am ill and I can't perform right now. His master could have sorted the things out, but he decided to not tell him. He decided to overthink about it and think that it may be difficult for my master to cope up in this situation. Then he went into the match and in the starting he even did good. But at the end, till the end, he actually lost. The reason was his injury, his illness became even more fatal. This is actually a story of me. Not based on a real life, but it actually resembles my personality, where I most of the times overthink over aspects of other people to not express my emotions. I'm having some kind of if I'm having some kind of problem, some kind of adversity in my life, I'm most of the time thinking about others, that what will they think? Will it bother them, or will it be more problematic for them That is what I think, rather than just explaining. Overthinking can be a good habit, but most of the times just express what is in your mind. And that is what I have thought of doing in this case. That is to express my emotions instinctively, not thinking much about them. For the second example, I would like to take an example of a lion. A lion.
Thank you so much, Kabisha. I want to stop you. Time बहुत पहले add कर चुका है।
टाइम था
And
भैया, मेरे को नहीं पता ना,
तो ये उन्हें भी बज रहा था।
मेरे को नहीं पता भैया.
We didn't recognize.
No,
In the beginning only, I said you have to finish in 30 seconds.
maybe I didn't listen.
You didn't listen that as well. You didn't listen.
I land in 30 seconds just.
Time passed.
Okay, so a lion, whatever he does is that he goes for a small prey that he wants to eat. He never goes for a bigger one because he knows he would lose. For me, it's quite the opposite. What I like to do is adapt to the qualities of people better than me. But although many of you may think this is a good habit, but a better habit would be adapting to the qualities of both the better people and both the people who are not better than me. That would be more beneficial for me, as one quality is not better than two qualities. Thank you.
first of all, Kanishka, can you fetch a water bottle? Wait. This is what I want to inculcate in myself. Instant reaction means when I ask to do something, when someone is saying something, or when something happened, then my instant reaction or my intrusive thought would be opposite of that particular thing. And this is what I need to develop in myself. And somehow it gives me negative impact a lot. Somehow I must be squandering my time somewhere else. But I need to develop this, and this is my one of the loophole to give instant reaction, to work upon the intrusive thing, and to create intrusive thought. The second thing is that I want to ask you a question. If I give you 84,400 rupees and you lost 4,000 of them, will you spend whole 80,000 just for recovering that 400? Absolutely not. This is what I do, but not in terms of money, in terms of time. Whenever I waste my 1 minute, 1 hour, then I think that let's do it from tomorrow only. The consistency where I am lacking. So I just need to develop my consistency in every work. That would make me more incredible and will make me more something productive in another thing. This is where I will be bewildering about, and I need to inculcate these two things. The very first is intrusive and be consistent. Thank you.
Once Apple's mobile phone talked to Samsung's mobile phone, would you be able to make one genre for me, which is on the desktop of Excel? Could you be able? Then Samsung said, yeah, I can. Then Apple asked again, would you be able to make some different kind of animation for me? Then Samsung said, yeah, I can. Then Apple says that I've got multiples of the features by which I can generate a lot more features about animation. Then Samsung said, yeah, I would be. Then he said, would you be able? Asked it very strictly to Samsung. Then Samsung like, yeah, I can. After knowing that Apple has got the same desktop feature and a lot more SIMs are also installed in the Apple's mobile phone as well, which has generated by Samsung. Though he got the confusion and self-doubt within himself. Same thing happened with me. I know that I can do a lot more things within myself, by myself, but I've got the self-doubt that I could be able to know to do it or not. Second thing that I would say, after generating all those, I would say features and a lot more features and parts of Samsung which installed in Apple phone as well. They knew that how long they took it for making it. They knew that they had done the hard work too. I would say same thing lacks within me, self-doubt and the hard work. I know that I can do, but just because of my self-doubt, I'm lacking in hard work too. These are the two loopholes that I'm lacking in. So that's all.
So if I talk about my okay. Yeah, my decision making is quite poor. I think a lot. because it took me to understand that I can also keep it there in spite of giving to Jatindya. Decision making is one of my biggest loophole, I would say. That what to do, what to not. Every time I don't like just get a perfect point, like what should I do next and what should I decide. And I believe which puts me back from my path, or you can say to achieve a goal. So first loophole. The second loophole that I find problems for the solution by overthinking about the situation. Sometimes, or not sometimes, I guess most of the time I overthink a lot, like about a situation that it's gonna happen. Oh my god, what will happen? This is going to happen. And I create my own, you can say, film story or sometimes a series. And that is my second loophole. That is overthinking takes me to not to like thinking beyond my box, but to give me some stress, and you can say to take my a lot of energy. And this is my second loophole. So thank you guys.
Hard work, hard work, hard work, hard work. But it will be beneficial. No, if I am not going to do consistently, it won't be beneficial for me. These are my loopholes I found it. First, hard work. I believe I'm not hardworking as I should be, because whenever I see any problem or whenever I am in any situation, so I never try to give my best, and I think I don't have to do things. I want something very easily. And the second loophole, that is consistency. I think consistency in many aspects. As you have seen the group from last many days, I have been not sending recording. But what I am doing to improve this, for improving my hard work, I am trying to give daily tasks to me, which I am going to do, and at the night I am going to see I am completing it or not. But and in the terms of consistency, I need your help, because as you all know, I'm not doing recording properly. So I want your help. I want you to remind me every day, have I sent my recording or not? And if I haven't sent, so please poke me to send my recording, because without your help, I believe I'm not able to improve my consistency.
Yeah, bhaiya, I will send recordings from today. विवेक आज से भेज दूंगा यार. कुणाल भेज दूंगा भाई यार, एक दिन और प्लीज. I am not consistent. I'm not regular. I'm not serious for anything. This is the biggest loophole in my life where I'm lacking to achieve my goals. But I try. I always try. Yeah, bro, I'm coming. Just come downstairs to my house. My friends, my biggest loopholes. When I go to record, to do something, my friends come and disturb me because I'm not serious. I can say no to them, but I go and roam with them. This is the seriousness where I am lacking. Secondly, the anger issues that you all know. At the time of anger, if the other person is also right, I prove him wrong. This is my biggest loophole. And I think I'm starting to improve it. And I'm starting to be calm and try to understand the other person at that moment. So this is my second loophole. Thank you.
Okay, so let me tell you my favorite tagline. Eat 5-star, do nothing. Every day I say to productivity, मेरे अंगने में तुम्हारा क्या काम है? My first loophole is think, and don't do anything. I think a lot. I look at the ceiling. I think about the universe, existence of the aliens, but I do not know the existence of myself. I will think about everything, but I will not fix anything. I'm the biggest loser in this world. Like, if there will be the competition of the losers also, there also I will be second only. Like, in that competition also I will lose only. I came at the last because I love to be the first from the last only. That is my first loophole. Second loophole, you know that only. Like, I just want to ask you one thing. Would you waste that thing which is precious than diamond? No, but I waste it every day. Time. Give me half an hour extra to be on time. I will still come late. You can be the biggest procrastinator in your life. But whenever it comes for the procrastination, I am your competitor. Yes, this is what I was talking about on the first day, that I'm your biggest competitor. But in the procrastination, in the indiscipline, and lack of inconsistency. So these are my loopholes. Thank you so much.
That's lovely. Guys, I wanna say, this girl, Kanishka, she came with a confidence and the way she delivered. Each and every thought was clear, each and every word was clear, and everything was completely, second to none. I would say she's going to get the highest marks. I would not be revealing it, the marks. But yeah, she has got the highest one. Guys, this competition has begun from today onwards, and this gonna end just in 15 to 20 days. And we'll be going with this competitions and a lot more other things. In between, we might be going throughout grammar and other aspects as well. I simply want each one of you to fasten your seatbelts and give your best.